Okay, here is your next question. Let's check and see if you got the answer correctly. So, which option correctly orders this set of numbers from least to greatest? So, smallest to biggest. Well, I'm going to plug my answers into my place value chart. So, we have 345, 873, 231. This is my first answer choice. 3 digits, 3 digits, and 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to start putting my number in the hundreds place. 345, 873, 231. I want my numbers to be ordered from least to greatest. Is this in order from least to greatest, meaning the smallest number is going to be on top? 300 is less than 800, but is 800 less than 200? No, so this cannot be your answer. Having 873 in the middle does not make this true. So let's plug it in the next place value, the next answer choice. And what you guys would have done is you have something that looks like this. You could have typed the number in, seen if it was correct, and then erased it and typed your next answer choice in. 4 digits, 4 digits, and 4 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to start in my thousands place value. 1,874, 1,934, 1,875. Okay, I want the number that least to greatest, meaning my smallest number is going to be on top, and then it's going to go down, and the biggest number is going to be on the bottom. 1, 1, and 1. You have a 1 in your thousands place. Can that tell us anything? No, that can't. I need to move to my hundreds. 8, 9, 8. 8 is smaller than 9. 800 is smaller than 900, but 900 is not smaller than 800. That is not going to be your answer. Okay, let's try it again. 5 digits, 5 digits, and 6 digits. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My first number starts in my 10,000s. 24,008. 38,000. 21. And this last one has 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to start in your 100,000s place. 123,843. Okay, let's look at this one. Let's see if this is in order from least to greatest. Well, I don't have anything here, okay? So I'm going to start with the first number, 24,008. I'm going to start with my largest place value that I have in that number. Not in all of my numbers, just in that number, okay? Is 2,000 more than 3,000? Or less than 3,000, I'm sorry. Is 2,000 less than 3,000? Yes. Okay? So this works right here. Now this is what's a little tricky. 38,000. This is 123,000. Well, let's just look at this right here. Let's take away this ones period, and let's look at this thousands period. 24,000, 38,000, 123,000. Let's take away the thousands for a second. 24, 38, 123. Are those in order from least to greatest? Is 24 less than 38? Yes. Is 38 less than 123? Yes. These are in order from least to greatest. Just because this has a 2 here, so this is 30,000 and this would be 20,000, but this has a number before it, so this is going to be bigger. 24,000, 38,000, 123,000. Think of this, take away the thousands. $24, $38, $123. Which would you rather have? $123. It's more. This is in order from least to greatest. And on this last one, I'm going to plug them in here. 45, 56, and 41. It's in my tens. 45, 56, 41. Does this go in order from least to greatest? 40, 50, 40. No, it does not. C is your answer. If you got the answer correct, go spin the spinner and move your pieces.